Normally, I like to highlight cool or unique engineering designs on my channel, but today I have a really terrible example here on the Canal Trail in Cheshire, Connecticut. They recently installed these chicane gates coming up to the roadway crossing. I guess their intent is that if you have to go around the gates, tight turns, it slows you down in advance of the crossing. We already have a pedestrian hybrid beacon here where people have to stop and press a button to cross anyways. But they were trialing this design out last year with cones. I guess they decided to make it permanent. Now, it's not about me complaining people have to slow down. People do have to slow down in advance of crossings. But the gates are black. Even with the reflective strips, they're not visible from a distance. This width here from the edge of the gate to the edge of the path is only 3 feet. That's not compliant with the public right-of-way access guidelines. And think about people, who might be riding a cargo bike or a recumbent bike, or senior citizens on bikes who might not be as agile. These turns are super tight. People might fall down, people might run off the path and tip over. There's already a lot of discussion about multi-use trail design regarding bollards. They're considered to be physical obstructions in the road and really present a safety issue. This is an all-right design, putting one on the center line, but really bollards should only be placed where there is some kind of history of vehicles going onto the path. So if that tiny bollard is considered an obstruction, what about these gates that limit the path to really one side or the other? This is a huge safety hazard. Now imagine one person going this way, one person coming this way. Who has the right of way here? It's unclear. There's only room enough for one person to go at a time. This might lead to some head-on collisions as well. If you look at the design of the trail without the gates, it already does a pretty good job of bending at the last second to get people to slow down naturally. We have this different material here to show that you're approaching an intersection. Then of course you have the beacon to cross. These gates go against any type of trail design manual. So I'm honestly baffled as to why they think this is the solution. There are so many other things you can do to increase trail safety at intersections. This is not it.